Hey there! Have you ever wondered just how much power your thoughts and beliefs really have in shaping your reality? Or did you know that Neville Goddard, a visionary thinker, taught that ignoring certain limiting beliefs could unlock your true potential? Stick around because today we're diving into the transformative teachings of Neville Goddard. Neville Goddard was a mystic and a teacher who believed that our imagination and belief shape our reality. Sounds wild, right? But think about it. How often do we let our negative beliefs about ourselves or our circumstances hold us back? In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to get bogged down by limitations, both internal and external. But what if I told you that by simply ignoring these beliefs, we could completely transform our lives? Today, we're going to explore how Goddard's philosophy can be applied in our lives to create the reality we desire. Now, let's talk about some real challenges people face when trying to manifest their desires. You know, it's all about that inner dialogue. How many of you have ever found yourselves thinking, "I'm not good enough," or "I could never achieve that"? These are negative beliefs, and they can be really sneaky. They crawl into our minds and create a barrier between us and what we want. Also, think about the external influences. Society, friends, or even family can sometimes project their own fears and limitations onto us. This can create a cloud of negativity that makes it even harder to focus on what we truly want. So it's no wonder that many people struggle with manifesting their desires. They are often caught in this loop of doubt and negativity, which can feel like a heavy weight holding them down. The impact of these negative thoughts and external influences is backed by scientific research. Studies in the field of neuroscience have shown that our brains have a negativity bias, meaning we are naturally wired to pay more attention to negative information than positive information. This negativity bias can make it challenging to maintain a positive outlook and focus on our desires, especially when faced with external negativity. Moreover, social psychology research has demonstrated the power of social influence on our beliefs and behaviors. When we are surrounded by people who doubt our abilities or project their own limitations onto us, it can be difficult to maintain a strong sense of self-belief and pursue our dreams. But here's the kicker. These limitations are often illusions. They stem from what we've been taught to believe, and they can be ignored. It's about recognizing that these thoughts don't define us and that we have the power to change them. Let's dig deeper into how we can break free from this cycle. Alright, so let's get into the heart of Neville Goddard's teachings. One of the core principles he emphasized was the power of imagination. Goddard believed that our imagination is not just a tool for daydreaming, it's a creative force that shapes our reality. When we imagine a desired outcome vividly and with emotion, we are planting a seed in the universe that can blossom into reality. This idea resonates with the concept of the law of attraction, which suggests that our thoughts and feelings can attract corresponding experiences into our lives. While the law of attraction has been met with some skepticism, there is evidence to support the idea that our thoughts and beliefs can influence our reality. For example, studies have shown that positive thinking can lead to improved health outcomes and greater overall well-being. Another key element is belief. Goddard taught that we must truly believe in our desired outcome. It's not enough to just wish for something. We have to embody the feeling of already having it. This is where many people trip up. They might say they want something, but deep down, they might not believe they deserve it or that it's possible. That's why ignoring limiting beliefs is so crucial. It's about aligning our inner dialogue and beliefs with our desires. The importance of belief is also echoed in the field of psychology. Self-efficacy, or the belief in one's ability to succeed in specific situations, has been shown to be a strong predictor of actual success. When we believe in ourselves and our abilities, we are more likely to take action and persevere in the face of challenges, ultimately increasing our chances of achieving our goals. And let's not forget about the subconscious mind. Our subconscious is like a sponge, absorbing everything we experience and believe. By feeding it positive affirmations and visualizations, we can reprogram it to support our desired reality. Goddard often cited the importance of living in the end, acting and feeling as if our desires have already come to fruition. This shifts our mindset from one of lack to one of abundance. The power of visualization and affirmations is supported by research in cognitive psychology and neuroscience. Studies have shown that visualization can activate the same neural pathways in the brain as actual physical actions, leading to improved performance and outcomes. Similarly, positive affirmations can help to rewire our brains and create new neural connections that support our desired beliefs and behaviors. Furthermore, the concept of living in the end aligns with the psychological principle of future self-continuity, which suggests that we are more likely to make choices that benefit our future selves when we feel a strong connection to them. By embodying the feeling of already having achieved our desires, we create a sense of continuity with our future selves and are more motivated to take action towards those goals. Now, it may sound easy in theory, but practicing these principles takes dedication and consistency. It's a journey of self-discovery where we learn to sift through our beliefs and let go of the ones that don't serve us. This process of self-discovery and transformation is often referred to as inner work or shadow work in spiritual and psychological circles. It involves exploring our subconscious beliefs and patterns, often rooted in childhood experiences or societal conditioning, and consciously choosing to release those that no longer serve us. This inner work can be challenging, but ultimately rewarding, as it allows us to reclaim our power and create a life that is aligned with our true desire. So here comes the powerful insight. Imagine if you could completely ignore those limiting beliefs and step into the version of yourself that is already living your dream life. Goddard taught a practical technique called constructing scenes. This involves creating a mental movie of your desired reality, complete with sensory details, what you see, hear, and feel. When you immerse yourself in this scene regularly, you begin to create a new belief system that aligns with your desires. This is where the magic happens. Ignoring those negative thoughts and replacing them with powerful imagery can lead to profound changes in your life. It's like flipping a switch in your mind. Suddenly, you find yourself acting, thinking, and even attracting opportunities that resonate with your new beliefs. The universe has a way of responding to our inner state, and by changing your inner world, you can transform your outer world. The concept of constructing scenes aligns with the psychological concept of mental rehearsal or visualization. Studies have demonstrated that mental rehearsal can enhance performance in various domains, from sports to public speaking. By vividly imagining ourselves achieving our goals, we create a mental blueprint that guides our actions and behaviors towards those goals. Moreover, the idea that the universe responds to our inner state is supported by the concept of synchronicity, which suggests that meaningful coincidences occur in our lives that are not necessarily causally related, but reflect our inner state and desires. By cultivating a positive inner state and aligning our beliefs with our desires, we may be more likely to experience synchronicities that support our goals. So, let's wrap it all up. Today, we explored the teachings of Neville Goddard and how ignoring limiting beliefs can set you on a path to manifesting your desires. We discussed the challenges that often hold us back, the power of imagination and belief, and how to practically apply these principles in our lives. Remember, by letting go of those negative thoughts and embracing a mindset of abundance, you can truly unlock your potential and influence the universe around you. Now, I want to hear from you. Share your thoughts and experiences with manifestation in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more content like this. And check out our next video on practical manifestation techniques to deepen your understanding. Thanks for watching and see you next time.